Chairman, esteemed faculty, parents, and of course our graduates for this academic year. Good afternoon. Today marks a celebration of your milestone as graduates at the end of your years of hard work, studying, meeting strangers who became your friends and teachers. At last, your dedication has come to this joyous moment. I am happy and honored to get a glimpse of our future people who will continue paths of various professions. Your generation has been blessed despite the difficulties you've encountered. The world you are stepping into is a world full of complexities and various possibilities. But I trust that you will all become good citizens of our nation. Think critically, be passionate, and above all, be competent. As you move forward, learn, be with people, and dream. The future belongs to those who are not afraid to dream for their family, friends, and of course, themselves or yourselves. Today, as you leave behind the familiar halls of your school, I only wish you success. Padayon graduates. End of quote. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Sir Magula.